Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Valencia, is a vibrant city located on the eastern coast of Spain along the Mediterranean Sea. It is the capital of the autonomous community of Valencia and the third largest city in Spain, following Madrid and Barcelona. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and culinary delights, Valencia offers a blend of traditional Spanish culture and modern innovation. Valencia is situated on the banks of the Turia River. Valencia is part of the broader Valencian community. Valencia enjoys a Mediterranean climate, characterized by hot summers, mild winters, and moderate rainfall, making it an appealing destination year-round. Valencia was founded as a Roman colony in 138 BCE. Over the centuries, it has been influenced by various cultures, including the Visigoths, Moors, and Christians. Each era has left a significant mark on the city, evident in its architecture and traditions. Valencia key attractions are City of Arts and Sciences, Ciudad de las Artes y las Ciencias, a futuristic architectural complex designed by Santiago Calatrava and Felix Candela. Features the Oceanographic, Europe's largest aquarium, hemispheric, IMAX cinema, and the Science Museum. Valencia Cathedral, Catedral de Valencia, a blend of Gothic, Baroque, and Romanesque architecture. Claims to house the Holy Grail, a chalice said to have been used by Jesus during the Last Supper. Turia Gardens, Jardin del Turia, a 9 km long green park, created from a diverted riverbed, ideal for walking, cycling, and leisure activities. La Lonja de la Seda is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A Gothic-style silk exchange building that symbolizes Valencia's prosperous trade history. Malvarosa Beach is a popular urban beach with golden sands and clear waters, perfect for relaxing or water sports. Valencia cultural highlights are Los Fallas Festival, held every March. This UNESCO-recognized festival is famous for its massive, artistic papier-mâché sculptures, fireworks, and vibrant street celebrations. Valencia is the birthplace of paella, a world-famous rice dish. Other local dishes include fideuà, a noodle-based dish, and horchata, a refreshing drink made from tiger nuts. Spanish and Valencian, a regional dialect of Catalan, are the official languages. Valencia is a major economic hub in Spain, with industries ranging from agriculture, citrus fruits, and tourism to technology and logistics. The city's port is one of the busiest in the Mediterranean. Valencia Airport, VLC, connects the city to major European destinations. Metro and buses, a well-developed public transport system, makes getting around easy. Biking, Valencia is bike-friendly, with extensive cycling paths. Valencia is known for its relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle, combining modern amenities with a rich cultural heritage. Whether you're exploring its historic old town, enjoying its beaches, or indulging in its gastronomy, Valencia offers something for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.